Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm here with my 2012 Gas EC300 and I'm going to give away some of my used clothes. It seemed that was well received last time, and I think these two pair of pants and goggles are a lot better than before. I cleaned everything, so the pants have been washed. What we got here first is the KLIM Gear series. As you can tell, pretty dang clean. And obviously I wore these, so you know the leather down there is a little chipped up and what have you, but hey, if you're starting out riding, these are pretty nice. They have little vents in the back, they have a vent here and a pocket on both sides and a vent. So these are really nice. These are size 32. Then I have the KLIM XC in the boots. These ones go in your boots. Basically, I'll call these track pants because this version does not have a pocket. So not as good for trail riding. But hey, if you're looking for some riding pants, these are also size 32. I cleaned them up, and I only probably wore these probably like 5 times. Didn't wear them many, just mainly because of that pocket situation, nowhere to put my ID. And then I came across some Scott goggles I have. The strap's like new because I've never really used the straps. I always use the quick straps. So I put these back on, and the nose bridge is where the damage is, but you know, it's pretty brittle from the sun. But if you don't care about that or just kind of want to cut that piece, trim it off, you could. And yeah, light scratches, but you know, they're fine. And they would work for somebody getting into riding that needs some dirt goggles and needs some dirt pants. So to find out how to contact me, and it's pretty much first come, first serve, and you're going to have to live in basically the front range here of Colorado, because we'll hook up and figure out how to meet or whatever. But go over to my Facebook page, Meeker Extreme, and I will have this up there. And if you truly can use these to help you to ride, have some gear, then I'd rather give these to somebody that could use it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one. And now take a minute to look at the new Gear pants. This is their current model. As you can see, the color pattern, I think it looks pretty dang good. It's a blue, orange, red, and the black. And so what's new? I think the pockets are much bigger again, so you can fit a big phone in there, carry your wallet, which is good. I kind of miss the days of the cargo pants, pockets of the KLIM Gear pants. They used to shove a lot of stuff in them for those long rides. So these are over the boot, pretty nice. So if you're looking for some new pants, go check out KLIM, check out the Gear series. It's what I always like and run. They work great for me, and most of my miles on my bikes have been in Gear pants.